Today I will guide you how to check login activity on Snapchat. To do that, you need to open the Snapchat application. Once you are here, tap on the Bitmoji icon or the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are here, you need to select the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you get access to the settings page, you can see the option of two-factor authentication. Tap on it, and at the bottom you can see the forget devices option. But before that, make sure you have enabled two-factor authentication on your Snapchat. Then only this option will appear on the screen. Let's tap on it. Here you can easily find all the devices that have access to your Snapchat account. For now, there are no any devices that have accessed my Snapchat account. That's why the page here is blank. So if you want to remove the device, you can just tap on the X icon next to that devices and tap on logout and easily log out that device from your Snapchat account. So in this way, you can easily check the login activity on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.